Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, an herbalist and holistic health coach, and your host of Plant-Based, which today is about chia. So chia is a beautiful purple flowering desert plant, also called Salvia hispanica, and it is a member of the mint family. We love the mint family because it is rich in medicine. So many plants in this family have so many wonderful benefits. You can identify mint family plants by a square stem. So even a tiny little mint stem is square, and chia is part of this family. Fun fact, the same guy that invented the chia pet also invented the clapper. So chia has been used for thousands of years as a food, primarily. The Aztecs used it as a sort of staple in the diet, and it's kind of notorious for energy. So it's not that chia is directly stimulating, it's that it's so nutrient dense that we get a ton of available energy and calories and nutrients in a very small amount. That efficiency can be helpful for dieting or weight loss. It can be helpful for when you need a quick little snack, something that can energize you but not be an entire meal. Sometimes it's used pre-workout or post-workout. It's really a great sort of energy supportive food. Chia seeds are high in fiber. Chia seeds are one of my favorite sources of fiber because they're covered in a mucilaginous sort of coating that absorbs water when they're either soaked or as they're passing through your body. This coating can absorb 10 to 12 times its weight in water, which makes it really fun to cook with, but also makes it very effective at pulling anything out of our body that we want to get rid of. So the value of chia seeds for digestion and especially intestinal and colon health is fantastic. It's a very soothing, nourishing, sort of filling fiber that is gentle all the way through our body. That's very important to me. A lot of times we end up using abrasive fibers that can do more harm than good, and chia is just beautiful all the way through. Chia seeds are also high in protein. You get about 5.5 grams of protein per ounce of chia seeds. They're high in calcium, and they're also high in lignans, which are a form of polyphenol, and that's another way of saying a sort of plant nutrient. So chia seeds can be eaten raw, they can be eaten cooked, they can be eaten whole or ground or blended up. It is important to soak chia seeds before you eat them. So in a little bit of water or alt milk or yogurt, just let them absorb some of the moisture from another source before you consume them so that they're not doing too much moisture absorbing through your own body. Today, we are making a very straightforward chia seed pudding. This is a fantastic template that you can use in so many different ways. And then we're going to top it with a spiced caramelized pineapple. 1/3 cup whole chia seeds, 1 cup alt milk, about a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the chia seeds, alt milk, and vanilla really well in a mason jar or some other kind of container, and let sit for at least 4 hours or overnight. For the pineapple, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 2 cups fresh pineapple or any other fruit, anything that's in season is great, 1/2 tablespoon pumpkin pie spice. Sautee everything on medium to medium-high heat until the fruit is really well caramelized. It's helpful to continue to toss the fruit and mix and stir so that all of the spice and the sweet and the oil are well distributed over the fruit. To serve, scoop chia seed into a bowl and top with as little or as much of your fruit as you like. All right, so we have our chia seed pudding with caramelized pineapple that might as well be pie. It smells so good. That could be pie. It could be pie, but it's high fiber, nutrient dense, fluffy, delicious, almost too good to be true. For more episodes of Plant-Based, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel.